The next website I chose to talk about is called ABCia. The target audience could be for students, teachers, and parents. Standards that I felt aligned with this free educational game website is students understand the concepts of technology operations, they can demonstrate their ability, and then also be able to transfer their knowledge into emerging technologies they are learning about. Also, students use technology to seek feedback that informs and improves their practice and to demonstrate their learning in a variety of ways. So this free website that I'm going to click on and pull up for you is encompasses grades K through 5, and it has a variety of different topics that you can see right down here. And I'm going to click on strategies. And something that I thought was really interesting is that if you clicked on the standards here, it pulled up the Common Core standards, so you could pick on particular games, and you could see how it aligns to different standards you're using. So here we go. This one aligns with certain standards, which is great because they're, this game, actually, this is a popular game for some of my students. It's number and shape pattern, and it's a big math game where you have to add 3 and then the number multiplies. Even my middle schoolers really enjoy this game. So let's go back here. See. So I thought this game, this website was really important to do a review on, as even my own children at home are obsessed with this website. But you can see not only does it have math, you can make stories, you can do spelling practice, and it has a lot of great things to offer, and it's free. And you can see up here, has a class login, so the teachers can keep track of their students when they log in. And obviously, you can do the same at home. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and hope you can find this to be useful. Thanks.